Very good afternoon everyone. In today's class we are going to discuss about the binary addition, binary subtraction, one's complement of a binary number, two's complement of a binary number, and subtraction using one's complement, subtraction using two's complement. Let us start with the binary addition. There are some rules to add the binary numbers. Let us see what are the rules here. Binary addition, take two numbers, that is A and B. There are two binary numbers A and B. Total there are four combinations 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. 0 plus 0 is 0. Carry also 0 here. 0 plus 1, 1. Carry 0. 1 plus 0, 1. Carry 0. 1 plus 1, 0 here. Carry here 1. Remember, 1 plus 1, 0. Carry will be 1. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0. In these combinations, carry will be 0 here. When we are adding 1 plus 1, it should be 0. It should not be 2 because it is a binary number. ಎರಡು ನಾಲ್ಕು ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ binary number ಇದೆ, so 0 ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರಬೇಕು. So 1 plus 1 is 0. Carry will be 1. See here, carry will be 1. This is the rule for the binary addition. Take an example. For example, add 111 plus 001 here. 1 plus 1, 0. Right here 0. Carry is 1. Right here, carry is 1. 1 plus 0, 1 plus 0, 1. 1. 1 plus 1, 0. Again carry, right here 1. 1 plus 0, 1. 1 plus 1, 0. Carry 1, right 1 as it is. Answer will be 1, 0, 0, 0 here. You can cross check these answers. You can cross check these answers. How to cross check? Convert it to decimal. Convert it to decimal. That is 111. When we are converting to decimal, 2 raised to 0, 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 2. That is 1, 2, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. Answer will be 7 here. 1, 0, 0, 1, 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 0, 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 2, that is 0, 0, plus 2 raised to 1, that is 1 here, which is equal to 8. When we convert 1002 decimal number, the answer will be 8. You can cross check by converting the binary number to decimal number. 7 plus 1 is 8, 111, 001, answer will be 1000. 0 here. Remember, when we are adding 0 plus 0 is result is 0, carry is 0. 0 plus 1 is result is 1, carry is 0. 1 plus 0, result is 1, carry is 0. 1 plus 1, result will be 0 and carry will be 1. 1 here. See here, 1 plus 1, result is 0, carry is 0, 1 plus 0, 1, 1 plus 1, 0, carry 1, 1 plus 0, 1, 1 plus 1, 0, carry 1, put the carry here, 1, 0, 0, it is the final answer. These are the rules for binary addition. Here, carry will come only when 1 plus 1 is there. Okay? Next, binary subtraction. What are the subtraction rules here? Here, carry is not there, barrow is here. 0 minus 0, that is 0, barrow also 0. Then, what is the answer for 0 minus 1? 0 minus 1 means answer is 1. Answer is 1, barrow also 1. Remember, 0 minus 1, answer difference is 1, barrow also 1 here. 1 minus 0, 1, barrow 0, 1 minus 1, 0, 0. 1 minus 1, 0, 0. Remember, 0 minus 0, difference is 0, barrow is 0. 0 minus 1, difference is 1, barrow is 1. 1 minus 0, difference is 1, barrow is 0. 1 minus 1, difference is 0, barrow is 0. Remember here, barrow comes only when 0 minus 1 is there. For example, 1 1 1 minus 0 0 1. 1 1 1 minus 0 0 1. 1 minus 1, 0. Barrow will be 0 here. 1 minus 0. 1 minus 0, that is 1. 1 minus 0, 1. Answer will be 1 1 0. How to cross that? The answer is 6 here. That is 1 1 1 means in decimal number 7. 0 0 1 means 1. 7 minus 1 equal to 6. You can cross check here. 6. 2 3s are 6, 0, 2 1s are 2, 1. Answer will be 1 1 0. Answer is 1 1 0 here. Okay? You can cross check your answer by converting given binary numbers to decimal number or convert the final answer to decimal number or decimal number converted to binary number. This will be the answer. Okay? These are the rules. 0 plus 0, sorry, 0 minus 0, 0, barrow 0, 0 minus 1, 1, barrow 1, 1 minus 0, 1, barrow 0, 1 minus 1, 0, barrow 0 here. So okay, right now we learn binary addition and binary subtraction. Now I want to learn 1's complement and 2's complement. One's complement of a binary number. What is the one complement of a binary number? For example, take any binary number. 0 1 1. It is a binary number. If we find one's complement of a binary number, we make sure we should convert all the zeros to 1 to zeros. One's complement of a binary number means convert 1 to 0, 0 to 1, which is equal to, here it is 1, make it 0, 1 0 0 1 0 1 1 0 1 0. It is the one's complement of a binary number. One's complement of a binary number ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 ಗಳನ್ನ 0 ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, 0 ಗಳನ್ನ 1 ಆಗಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ 1 ಇದನ್ನ 0 ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, 1 ಇದನ್ನ 0 ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, 0 ಇದನ್ನ 1 ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, 0 ಇದನ್ನ 1 ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, 1 ಇದನ್ನ 0 ಆಯ್ತಾ, 1 ಇದನ್ನ 0 ಆಯ್ತಾ. This is the conversion of, this is the one's complement of a binary number. When we are converting, when we are finding one's complement of a binary number, we need to convert all the zeros to 1 and 1 to zeros. Okay? Here, take another example. 1 1 1 0 1. One's complement of this number is equal to 0 0 0 1 0. Here, how to find one's complement? Convert all the ones to 0. That is 1 becomes 0 here, 1 becomes 0 here, 1 becomes 0 here, 0 becomes 1, 1 becomes 0. This is the one's complement of a given binary number. Okay? Next, 2's complement of a binary number. 2's complement of a binary number. Take any binary number. For example, 1 0 0 1 1. It is a binary number. Find the 2's complement of a binary number. 2's complement. When we are finding 2's complement of a binary number, first we need to convert the given number into 1's complement. First we need to find out the 1's complement of a given binary number and then add 1 to its 1's complement. The result will be the 2's complement of a number. That is, first we need to convert the given number into 1's complement, which is equal to 1's complement means 1 becomes 0, 0 becomes 1, 0 becomes 1, 1 becomes 0, 1 becomes 0. When the result will become 1's complement, add 1 to it. Add 1 to it. Plus 1, 0 plus 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0. It is 2's complement. 2's complement of a given number 1 0 0 1 1. 2's complement of a number equal to 1's complement plus 1. That is, we need to convert this number to first 1's complement. We are counted as 1's complement, that is 0 1 1 0 0. Then add 1. Add 1 to the 1's complement. After adding 1 to the 1's complement, the answer will be 2's complement of a number. That is 0 plus 1 1, 0 as it is, 1 as it is, 1 as it is, 0 as it is. Answer will be 0 1 1 0 1 here. Take another example. Find the 2's complement of given binary number. First we need to convert it to 1's complement. That is 0 0 1 0 1. Add 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1 0. Carry 1, 0 plus 1 1. Carry the 0 here, 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 0 will be the 2's complement of given number. 2's complement of given number, that is 1 1 0 1 0. So how to find the 1's complement of a given number? When we are finding 1's complement of a given number, we need to convert all the zeros to 1, 1 to 0 here. When we are finding the 2's complement of a given number, first we need to find out the 1's complement of a given number, and by adding 1 to it, we will get the answer as 2's complement of a given number here. Okay? Let us see the subtraction using ones complement. Remember, there will be a one compulsory 5 marks question in your annual exam from subtraction using ones complement or subtraction using twos complement. First we will see the subtraction using ones complement method. Okay, there are in subtractions there are two types. That is, we need to subtract a smaller number from a larger number and larger number from a smaller number. That is, 25 minus 15 is also a subtraction. 15 minus 25 is also a subtraction. That is, if we see your normal subtraction, 25 minus 15 is answer will be 10 here. What about 15 minus 25? 15 minus 25 answer will be minus 10 here. Answer is minus 10. There is a difference in signs. 25 minus 15 means plus 10. 15 minus 25 means minus 10 here. There is a difference. So we learn one by one. First one is subtracting a smaller number by a larger number. First part is subtracting a smaller number by a larger number. There are some steps. Let us know one by one. What are the steps? Step number 1. Find the ones complement. Find the ones complement of a subtrahend. Find the ones complement of a subtrahend. Step number 2. Add this to the minute Step number 3. Carry is generated. Carry is generated. It is known as end around carry. Step number 4. Add this end around carry to the result to get the final result. There are 4 steps. Subtracting a smaller number by a larger number. First, we need to find the ones complement of a subtrahend. Then add this to the minute. Carry is generated. It is known as the end around carry. Add this end around carry to the result to get the final result. These are the steps you have to remember. ಈಗ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿರ್ಬೋದು. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ನಿಮಗೆ subtrahend minus confusion agidare. There is another procedure. I will write here. You can follow this procedure also. You can follow that procedure also. Another procedure. This is one procedure. You can follow another procedure. That is same procedure will be same procedure na subtrahend minus ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲಿಲ್ಲ ಪರಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಬರೀತೀವಿ. Step number 1, determine one's complement of a smaller number. Determine one's complement of a smaller number. Step number 2, add one's complement to larger number. Add one's complement to larger number. Step number 3, remove the final carry and add it to the result. And add it to the result. It will be the, you can follow this procedure, procedure number 1, procedure number 2. We can write both in exams. Yavadar one procedure sabara saku. You can follow this procedure. 1, procedure 2. You can follow any one procedure. Either you follow procedure number 1, either you follow procedure number 2. Answer will be the same. For example, take any number, any one number. In your exam, they will give subtract using one's complement 25 minus 90. In exam, they will tell the problem is subtract using one's complement 90 from 25 or 25 minus 95. First the given number is 25, second number is 90. Here we are subtracting smaller number, that is 90 by a larger number, that is 25. We are subtracting a smaller number by a larger number. So answer will be positive number here. We know what will be the answer? 6. Answer will be 6 in decimal. Directly calculate 25 minus 90 equal to 6 here. That is positive sign also here. First we need to convert given number 25 to binary. Convert 25 to binary. How to convert it? 25 divided by 2. 2 12s are 24. 1 reminder. 2 6s are 12. 0. 2 3s are 6. 0. 2 1s are 2. 1 0 1. It is LSB. Sorry, MSB. LSB. Answer is 0 1 1 0 0 1. Answer is 0 1 1 0 0 1. You can write directly 1 1 0 0 1 here. Next, 19. Convert 19 to binary number. That is 19. 2 9s are, 2 4s are, 2 2s are, 2 1s are. Answer is minus 1 0 0 1 1. 1 0 0 1 1. First we need to convert 25 to binary number, 19 to binary number. This one we don't know what will become the answer. So what is the procedure here? Find the ones complement of subtrahend. Subtrahend means here 19. We need to find out the ones complement of this number, that is 10011. Step number 1. Step 1. Find the ones complement of a subtrahend, that is 10011 here. What is the ones complement of a given subtrahend is 0 1 1 0 0. But step number 1, finding the ones complement of subtrahend is 0 1 1 0 0. Next, step number 2, add this to the minute. Minute is here 1 1 0 0 1 1 1 0 0 1 plus we need to add the ones complement, that is 0 1 1 0 0. Add this 1 plus 0 1 0 plus 0 0 0 plus 1 1 1 plus 1 0 carry 1 1 plus 0 1 1 plus 1 0 carry 1. Remember here carry comes here. What is the next procedure? Carry is generated. Yes, okay, carry is generated here. It is known as the end around carry. Step number 4. Add this end around carry to the result. Add this end around carry to the result. What is the result here? 0 0 1 0 1. We need to add this carry to the result. That is 0 0 1 0 1 plus we need to add the carry 1 1 plus 1 0 carry 1 0 plus 1 1 1 as it is 0 as it is 0 as it is. Answer will be 0 0 1 1 0. Answer will be 0 0 1 1 0. You can cross check your answer. We know the value of 29 25 minus 19 is 6. You can cross check 0 0 1 0. 6 2 3s are 0 2 1s are 2. Remainder is 1 0 1. Answer will be 1 1 0. So answer is here 1 1 0. It is correct. First, in first step, we need to find out the ones complement of a subtrahend, that is 19. ಯಾವುದು ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತ ಅವತ್ತು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಡ್ ಅಂತೀವಿ. ಅದರಿಂದ ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತ ಮೈನಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಈ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್ ಫಾಲೋ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಇಫ್ ಯು ನಾಟ್ ಫಾಲೋ ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್, ಗೋ ಟು ದ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್. Determine the ones complement of smaller number of the diagonal. Which one is smaller number here? 19 is smaller number. So we need to determine the ones complement of a smaller number, that is 0 1 1 0 0. When we are converting 19 to binary, answer will be 1 0 0 1 1. The ones complement of a smaller number is 0 1 1 0 0. Add ones complement to the larger number. So we are adding ones complement to the larger number is 1 1 0 0 1 1 1 0 0 plus we are adding ones complement, that is 0 1 1 0 0. After adding, carry is generated here. Third step is remove the final carry and add it to the result. Here remove the final carry here and we are adding to the result here. Result is 0 0 1 0 1. We are adding the carry 1 plus 1 0 carry 1 0 plus 1 1 1 0 0. The answer will be 0 0 1 1 0 here. We have cross checked. We have converted 6 to the binary number. The answer will be 1 1 0. So it is right. Okay, take another example. Take another example. 20 minus 10 or 20 minus 6. Take any other number. So we need to convert the given 20 number to binary. The answer is 101 0 0. 101 0 2 tens are 20, remainder 0, 2 5s are 10, remainder 0, 2 2s are 4, remainder 1, 2 1s are 2, remainder 0. The answer will be 101 0 0. 101 0 0 minus convert it to binary. 2 5 are 10, 0, 2 2s are 4, 1, 2 1s are 2, 0, 2 0 1. Answer is 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0. 1 0 1 0 0 minus 1 0 1 0. You can add 0 here, or you can add 0 to complete the 5 5. Make it 5 is this. You can add 0 here. Okay. First, find the ones complementary subtrahend or determine the ones complementary smaller number. Smaller number is 10 here. Find the ones complementary smaller number is 1. It is 0 here. 1 0 1 0 1. It is the ones complement of a smaller number. Add it to the larger number, or add this to the minor. Minor is here 1 0 1 0 0 plus 1 0 1 0 1 0 plus 1 1 0 plus 0 0 1 plus 1 0 carry 1 0 plus 1 1 1 plus 1 0 carry 1. Carry is generated here, so we are adding this carry to the result, that is 0 1 0 0 1 plus carry add ಮಾಡಿ 1 plus 1 0 1 1 0 1 0. Answer is 0 1 0 1 0. Answer is 0 1 0 1 0. Cross check. What is 20 minus 10 means 10. Here 0 1 0 1 0. When we are converting the 10 to binary, answer is 0 1 0 1 0. That is same 0 1 0 1 0. Remember, when we are subtracting a smaller number by a larger number using ones complement method, we need to follow the procedure. The first part is find the ones complement of a subtrahend, add this to the minute, carry is generated, it is known as the end around carry. Add this end around carry to the result to get the final answer. Or determine the ones complement of a smaller number, add this one complement to the larger number, remove the final carry and add it to the result. ನೀವು ಈ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡಿ, ಈ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡಿ, ಬೇಕಾದ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡಿ, ಆನ್ಸರ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ ಮೆನಿ ಟು ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್, both the procedures are same here. We have used here subtrahend minus words ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ, ಈಗ words ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ larger number smaller number ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. So you can follow both the procedure. This is about the subtracting a smaller number by a larger number. Okay, next. Okay, next part is subtracting a larger number by a smaller number. Already we have seen subtracting a smaller number by a larger number using ones complement method. Now we are going to see the subtracting a larger number by a smaller number. There are same procedures followed here. Step number 1, find the ones complement of a subtrahend, add this to the minute, there will be no carry, recomplement the answer and insert the negative sign here. We are subtracting a larger number from a smaller number. When we are subtract larger number from a smaller number, we will get a negative sign. So here we have to put the negative sign to the answer here. You can follow this procedure number 1 or follow second one. Determine the first complement of a larger number, add this two complement to the smaller number. There will be no carry here. Change the sign and take the ones complement of a result to get the final answer. So let us see the example. 19 minus 25. 19 minus 25. Here smaller number is 19, bigger number is 25. We are subtracting 25 from 19 here. So answer will be negative only. So first convert the given number to binary. It is 19 to binary. 2 9s are 8, 1, 2 4s are 8, 2 9s are 18, 1 reminder, 2 4s are 8, 1 reminder, 2 2s are 4, remainder will be 0 here, 2 1s are 2, remainder is 0, 2, 0, 1, that is 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. Answer will be 2 9s are 18, 1, 2 4s are 8, 1, 2 2s are 4, 0, 2 1s are 2, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. Finally, we have converted 90 minus. Next, convert 25 to binary. That is 25 to binary. 2 12s are 1, 2 6s are 0, 2 3s are 0, 2 1s are 2, remainder will be 1, 2 0, 1, 1, 1 0 0 1, 1 1 0 0 1. So next procedure, find the supplement subtrahend. Subtrahend is here 1 1 0 0 1 or determine the supplement larger number. Larger number here 1 1 0 0 1. What is the one supplement of 1 1 0 0 1? We need to find the one supplement. How to find the one supplement? We need to convert all the zeros to 1, 0 1 to zeros here. The number is 1 1 0 0 1. 1's complement equal to 0 0 1 1 0. 1 becomes 0, 1 becomes 0, 0 becomes 1, 0 becomes 1, 1 becomes 0 here. First step finished. Add it to the minute or add this complement to the small number. Small number is here 1 0 1 1 plus what is the complement here 0 0 1 1 0. Add these parallel numbers. 1 plus 0, 1, 1 plus 1, 0, carry 1, 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 1, 0, carry 1, 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 0, 1. There will be no carry. There will be no carry. There will be no carry. Recomplement the answer and insert the negative sign or change the sign and take the negative. Recomplement means we need to convert it to again one's complement. The answer is 1 1 0 0 1 here. We need to again recomplement. Again we need to convert it to the one's complement. That is 0 0 1 1 0. Put the negative sign. That is 0 here. That means this will be the answer. Convert it to the again one's complement 0 0 1 1 0. Put the negative sign. The answer will be equal to minus 0 0 1 1 0. Minus 0 0 1 1 0. That is 90 minus 25 is minus 6. While we convert 6 to binary, the answer will be 1 1 0. So minus 0 0. What is the procedure here? First we need to find out the one supplement of a subtrahend. One supplement of a larger number, that is 25 1 1 0 0 1. One supplement of this number is equal to 0 0 1 1 0. Add this to the minute, that is small number 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 plus one supplement of a larger number 0 0 1 1 0. Answer will be 1 1 0 0 1. There will be no carry here. Adhe ಮಾಡ್ತಿರಪ್ಪಾಗ larger number small number ಇರಬೇಕಲ್ಲ carry ನ add ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ carry ಇಲ್ಲ. So ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದು given number ನ ಮತ್ತೆ one supplement ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ನ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ minus sign add ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Compulsory we have to put the minus sign here because we are subtracting a larger number from a smaller number. The answer will be 1 0 1 becomes 0 1 becomes 0 0 becomes 1 0 becomes 1 1 becomes 0 and this will be your final answer. This is about the subtracting a larger number by a smaller number. Remember, in exam they may ask subtracting a smaller number by a larger number or they may ask a larger number by a smaller number. You have to see the problem there and according to the problem you have to follow the procedure. You can follow this procedure or this procedure. ಎರಡರ ಯಾವುದಾದರೂ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ನ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. Okay, this is about subtraction using one's complement.